Oh, hi. Okay, this is the next contraption. It's actually a repair, but never mind. This is Lloyd's old wheelbarrow, and you can tell if you come a bit closer. The rim's all rusted out and the tyres collapsed off. So we need to fix this now. So, okay, let's just do that. Follow me inside. Right, well, the first thing was to cut all this broken rim off and tidy up the hub. And to tidy it up, I ground around the edge here with the bench grinder and drilled these 5 holes around here like this. So that was that sorted out. Oh, also do some rust protection with this product here. Just dip it in, paint it on, goes kind of black. Excellent. Phosphoric acid, something like that. The other thing I needed to do with the tyre was there was a sort of a rim in rubber around the where it held the this rim that set in there, and there was this sort of rim of rubber, so I had to cut that off. So I did that with this knife. That's Mum's old fishing knife. So both sides with that, and then that was taken care of. Now, these 2 wooden pieces, which I prepared earlier, will now replace the rusty rim part. So, and we're just now going to assemble that. So we'll start with that side up. Pop one of those in there. There. Just hold that like that. Put the tyre on. Come this up. Then we put this piece in. Line up some holes. Alright, put this other one on. The other thing I had to do, you'll notice this has some kind of ribs like this. See those 2 ribs? So I had to use this tool here to just take 5 little notches out of each side so that they would engage with these things here. So now we're going to pop this back on here like that. If the bolts will just come through the hole, they will. There you go. Washer. So that's 3 of them. We can easily now just put the other 2 in. So these were 8mm threaded bar, which I just cut into 5 pieces. I found it in a construction waste skip in Panama Street, Wellington City. This was back in about spring, so I knew I'd need those at some point in the future, and sure enough. So there's our finished wheel, repaired. How good is that? Thank you very much.